Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how you can fix image position in Word document. For this you need to click on the insert, choose a picture, click on this device and select the picture from your computer device. Like I have this picture. Now click on this layout options and now click on the square. Now you can move this picture anywhere in the Word document. So you can resize it and place at the position where you want to fix it. And then right click and click on the size and position. And click on the position and uncheck the move object with text and check the lock anchors. Click OK to proceed, and when you press enter you can see that the image position has been fixed. It is not moving. Moreover, you can right click on the picture and click on the wrap text and make sure fix position on page. It should be checked. So make sure keep your object in the same place on the page as text is added or deleted. Remember, if its anchor moves to the next page, your object moves as well. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand how you can fix image position in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.